Hey there, science enthusiasts, get ready for a blast from the past. We're making our very own lava lamps. Remember those groovy, glowing lamps from the 70s? Well, we're going to recreate that mesmerizing magic right in our homes. This experiment is fun, easy, and a fantastic way to witness some cool scientific principles in action. Let's dive in. Before we embark on our lava lamp adventure, let's gather our trusty tools and ingredients. Don't worry, we won't need anything from a fancy science lab. We're using common household items. Here's what we need: a clear plastic bottle or a glass jar. This will be the stage for our lava lamp spectacle. Vegetable oil. This will create the mesmerizing blobs that dance in our lamp. Water, our second liquid performer, adding to the bubbling fun. Food coloring. This is optional, but a dash of color makes our lava lamp extra groovy. Alka-Seltzer tablets, the secret ingredient that brings our lava lamp to life. Now that we've assembled our team of ingredients, let's understand their roles in our lava lamp extravaganza. Each ingredient plays a crucial part in creating the magic that makes our lava lamp so captivating. From the container that holds everything together to the Alka-Seltzer that brings it all to life, every component has a unique and essential function. Each ingredient has a specific job to do, and together, they create a mesmerizing display of science and art. Let's dive deeper into the role of each one. The container. Our clear plastic bottle or glass jar serves as the lava lamp's stage, providing a clear view of the mesmerizing action inside. This container is crucial because it allows us to see the interaction between the different ingredients. The transparency of the bottle or jar ensures that we can fully appreciate the colorful and dynamic movements happening within. Vegetable oil. This forms the base of our lava lamp. We'll use quite a bit of it as oil and water don't like to mix, creating those distinct lava lamp blobs. The oil's density and immiscibility with water are what make the blobs float and move in such an enchanting way. The oil also provides a smooth medium for the water and other ingredients to interact within. Water. Lighter than oil, water sinks to the bottom, but with the help of Alka-Seltzer, it'll be dancing in no time. The water is essential because it reacts with the Alka-Seltzer to create carbon dioxide gas, which forms bubbles that rise through the oil, carrying water with them. This interaction is what creates the iconic lava lamp effect. Food coloring. A few drops of food coloring transform our lava lamp into a vibrant spectacle, making the dancing blobs even more mesmerizing. The food coloring mixes with the water, adding a burst of color that enhances the visual appeal of the lava lamp. This simple addition turns our science experiment into a piece of art. Alka-Seltzer, the star of the show. When dropped into our mixture, Alka-Seltzer creates fascinating, bubbly chaos, driving the lava lamp's captivating movements. The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas, which forms bubbles that rise through the oil, creating the dynamic and ever-changing patterns that make lava lamps so mesmerizing. This reaction is the heart of our lava lamp, bringing all the ingredients together in a beautiful dance of science and art. Ready to build your lava lamp? This fun and easy DIY project is perfect for kids and adults alike. Not only will you create a mesmerizing piece of decor, but you'll also learn a bit about the science of liquids and density. So, gather your materials and let's dive in. Let's get started. Just follow these easy steps. First, make sure you have everything you need: a clear container, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. You might also want a flashlight or a small lamp for the final touch. Fill it up. Pour vegetable oil into your container, filling it about 2/3 full. The oil will form the main body of your lava lamp, so don't skimp on it. The more oil you use, the more dramatic the lava effect will be. Remember, more oil means more lava. The oil is less dense than water, which is why it will float on top. This is a key part of the science behind your lava lamp. Add the water. Gently pour water into the container until it's almost full, leaving some space at the top. The water will sink to the bottom because it's denser than the oil. This separation is what creates the lava lamp effect. Observe how the water sinks below the oil. They just don't want to mix. This is due to the difference in density, and the fact that oil and water are immiscible liquids, meaning they don't mix. Color burst. If you're using food coloring, add a few drops to the container. The food coloring will pass through the oil and mix with the water, creating beautiful streaks of color. Watch as the color streaks through the oil and mingles with the water below. This is where the visual magic starts to happen, setting the stage for the lava lamp effect. Drop the tablet, Break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into a few pieces and drop them into the container one at a time. The reaction between the tablet and the water will create bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. Get ready for the show to begin. As the gas bubbles rise, they will carry some of the colored water with them through the oil, creating the iconic lava lamp effect. Light it up. For an extra touch of lava lamp magic, shine a torch or a reading lamp onto the container. The light will make the colors pop and add an extra dimension to your creation. The light will illuminate the colorful blobs, creating a mesmerizing glow. Now sit back and enjoy your homemade lava lamp, a perfect blend of science and art. Now for the science behind the magic. Have you ever wondered what makes those colorful blobs in a lava lamp dance and bob around so mesmerizingly? It's not just a random occurrence. There's fascinating science at play here. Why do those colorful blobs dance and bob in our lava lamp? The answer lies in the principles of density and chemical reactions. These two factors work together to create the captivating motion we see. It's all thanks to density and a chemical reaction. Density is a measure of how much mass is contained in a given volume. Different substances have different densities, which is why some things float while others sink. Density oil is less dense than water, meaning it's lighter and floats on top. This is why, when you mix oil and water, the oil always rises to the surface. In a lava lamp, the same principle applies. That's why we see those distinct layers in our lava lamp. The oil and water don't mix, creating a clear separation. But what about the movement? That's where the chemical reaction comes in. Alka-Seltzer in action. Alka-Seltzer contains ingredients that react with water to create carbon dioxide gas, those bubbles you see. When you drop an Alka-Seltzer tablet into water, it starts to fizz and produce gas. The bubble dance. The gas bubbles attach themselves to the colored water droplets, making them buoyant. This buoyancy causes the droplets to rise through the oil, creating that iconic lava lamp effect. They rise through the oil, putting on a captivating show. As the bubbles rise, they carry the colored droplets with them, creating a mesmerizing display of movement and color. The grand finale. Once the gas bubbles reach the top, they pop, and the colored water droplets, now without their bubbly partners, sink back down, ready for another round of bubbly fun. This continuous cycle of rising and sinking creates the endless soothing motion that makes lava lamps so enchanting to watch. Imagine this. Our container is like a miniature dance floor. The oil is the dance floor itself, while the water droplets are the dancers eager to groove. But they need a partner, which is where the Alka-Seltzer comes in. Think of the Alka-Seltzer as a bubbly disco ball. It releases tiny gas bubbles that latch onto the water droplets, lifting them and creating a mesmerizing dance as they rise through the oil. When the bubbles pop at the top, it's like the music stops, and the water droplets gracefully descend, ready for another dance when a new set of bubbles arrive. Our lava lamp is already a blast, but why stop there? Let's unleash our inner scientists and experiment with some cool variations. Colorful oils. Who says oil has to be boring? You can use colored lamp oil or even add a few drops of oil-based food coloring to the oil layer for a vibrant twist. Glitter galore. Sprinkle in some glitter. The glitter will catch the light and create a mesmerizing sparkle as it travels with the colored blobs. Shapeshifters. Experiment with different container shapes and sizes. A tall, slender vase will create long, elegant lava flows, while a round jar will make the blobs swirl in fascinating patterns. Ready to take your lava lamp game to the next level? Here are a few tips and tricks for even more mesmerizing results. Warm it up. Use warm, not hot to water for the experiment. Warm water helps the Alka-Seltzer dissolve faster, creating more vigorous bubbles for a livelier lava flow. Find the perfect light. Experiment with different light sources. A colored light bulb or a rotating disco ball can create stunning visual effects. Don't overfill. Leave some space at the top of your container to prevent spills and allow the bubbles to pop freely. Safety first. Remember to always supervise young scientists and handle materials with care. Congratulations, science superstars! You've created your very own lava lamp and unlocked the secrets behind its mesmerizing movements. This experiment is a fantastic reminder that science is all around us, even in the most unexpected places. Remember, the fun doesn't have to stop here. Keep experimenting with different colors, containers, and ingredients. Share your lava lamp creations with friends and family, and spread the joy of scientific discovery. Keep those minds curious, keep exploring and never stop questioning the world around you. Stay curious, stay creative and keep on experimenting.